Hey guys, Maggie, Limitless Success Rebel and a coach. I'm shooting this video because I just completed the 30 days Dean Graziosi Better Life Challenge, and I'd like to share a couple of words and my reflections on it. It only has been taking about 3 to 5 minutes a day to log in and to complete the tasks, which were super easy, but it really make you think. For example, you had to stop and think, like perhaps stop watching the news and focus on something different for a change, and replace it with a good habit rather than on negativity. What could you do for others? And what it has made me realize is it only takes 5 minutes a day to be in the moment and to focus on what is important, and knowing that successful people also do implement success habits, which Dean Graziosi also mentions that in his book. I think it's super important and also super easy to do such a challenge, and I think everyone should do it. Doesn't matter if you're in business or whether you're chasing a career change, is to basically stop and realize what are your dreams. Are you taking action daily? Sometimes action takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day, which is really like, if you are important for yourself, and if your life is important for you, if your dreams are important, you should take 5-10 minutes a day at least for yourself to implement the daily success habits, and to start taking the tiny little things, like, can you spend 1 minute on exercise? Can you spend 1 minute on breathing exercise? And not less watch less TV, read a book, spend more time with your friends and family, help someone without expecting anything back. It's really those little changes that matter, and you can change your mindset and you can be more happy, because happiness, it doesn't come when you have something or when you achieve. Happiness comes from within, and happiness is finding what you are grateful for in a moment, not when you have something, when you arrive at the point that you think is going to make you happy. So if any one of you is thinking of changing your life for the better, I suggest to start with 5 minutes, because if you start thinking of, oh, I need to change everything, I need to start exercising, eating healthy, drinking more water, stop watching news and stop watching less TV, it will overwhelm you and you're not going to do anything. So just starting with 5 minutes a day can change your life, and it can actually help you achieve your dreams. I hope it will inspire you, and I wish you all the best, and I love the challenge. I think it's a great idea, and I'm hoping that I will inspire some of you to take it to the next level and to also do the challenge yourself. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to do it, and I hope to see more successful people. Bye for now.